So here I have the sample for the PP woven bags, very commonly used for the US market, and they are made with laminated surface, so they are very bright, very shiny, and you can print up to 12 colors on it. Here are some samples that we have with different colors: orange, beige, or green. And they have very strong sealing, very strong handle. This one we make with 2 handles like this. You see the printing on the side, at the bottom. Yeah, so they are very bright, very shiny, and they are also very strong. Made with 130 or 140 GSM. Very big, so you can put a lot of items in it. Very common in the supermarket or grocery store in the US.